Hey guys, so tonight we're going to cut up this burl that we cut down last night and brought up on the mill. This is going to be part 2 of the movie. We're already told we don't appreciate the cliffhanger. So, if you'll notice, last night we discussed putting this little rotten spot down. You can see it's pretty deep, probably goes all the way back to the burl. The reason we put it down and horizontal is because we're going to be cutting our boards this way. So when we get to this spot, we're going to have one board, maybe two, affected by this, instead of this running through every single board that we cut. Alright, so let's get started on cutting this burl and let's see what we got. Okay, so we've made 4 cuts. 4 cuts, right?
I believe so.
Alright, let's start peeling them off and see what we got. This is the first burl that I've ever cut.
So there's the piece.
Oh. Ooh, look at that grain.
That's cool looking.
I guess.
Right. Next cut. Wow, that looks cool.
And now, oh man, look at the grain in that. Alright, next one's going to be a little longer.
Oh, that's got spalting in it.
Really, I don't think they call it spalting in cherry, but
Well, it looks like it. Look at that.
that's pretty. Let's see what we got here. Alright, that burl comes all the way up to here with the grain.
What is cut? 1 inch?
Yeah, alright, we got one more. Those are 6/4. Can you get this one by yourself? You need me to help you?
I'm going to need you to help me. This one's pretty
Yeah,
heavy.
the wood in the burl's heavy. It's a lot heavier than the rest of the tree. Alright, hang tight just a minute. We're going to move this together. Okay, so we're going to turn this log over. Start cutting it from the other side. We're cutting these an 1.5 inches thick, or 6/4. That is some fantastic grain right there.
Very pretty.
That'll make tables or something. We're just getting into it.
There's some pasta in it.
Yeah. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to roll the log and we're going to cut it from the other side. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 full-length pieces. Now, here's my question, and you can leave your comment in the comment section. The pieces that are going to come off are going to look like this, except they're going to get wider as we get towards the center. Should we leave them long and sell them like that, or should we cut them at 4 foot and sell this half as a burl and this half as just regular slabs? Leave in a comment what you think. What do you think will bring the most money?
That's pretty.
I don't know what you can use it for, but there it is.
Something, I'm sure.
All right, let's see what we got here. That's firewood.
I would say, yeah. Throw it down. Probably the first couple of cuts on here, too.
Well, we got these.
Yeah, but...
This has got to be saved.
Oh, man, look at that. That's a unique piece there. See the grain on that, Rick? Turn it over. Oh, my gosh.
Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty. Now it's starting to come alive. Save that.
Look at that.
All right. Look at that. Looks like somebody's hungry and took a big chunk out of that one.
Yes, he did.
Mind you guys, this is our first burrow we've ever done. Oh my gosh.
Pretty good hole in there. I hope we don't find no squirrels.
Well, you know what? Someone who's handy with epoxy could sure make something out of that, huh?
Oh, I guess.
Wow. Look at
Look at
that.
the grain. Even down here, look at this.
Yep.
There's our rotten spot.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't go that deep.
That's good.
It didn't run the length of the burrow like I thought it would.
Cool. All right, hang tight. All right, so now we're getting into the solid pieces, huh?
Yep.
So all you guys out there that was commenting to us about the teasers. Man, look at this.
This is outstanding.
Oh. Makes me want to go find some more burrows. Hank, that'll help you with that. Yeah, pile of crud there, huh? Pile of crud there, huh?
Yeah.
Whew. Look at that green.
This is an epoxy pourer's dream.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, so we've gotten through the middle of it. So there's the beauty of it. Now, this is where we have a dilemma. We need your help. We really need your help. Do we leave it the whole length? Or do we cut it like right after here where all the deep marks are? Leave your comments below. Tell us what you think. Leave it long, cut it short.
Guys, thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe if you like what you see. And give us a thumbs up. We work hard at these videos and we really appreciate you watching them and your comments.